Emotion. It is a key part of what makes us all human and helps us relate with the world around us. Miscommunication can hinder our ability to express our feelings and enjoy the company of others. With Prismo, you can augment the way you interact with others in order to better keep track of and understand the emotional states of others. Prismo utilizes weather elements as broadly intuitive representations of emotional states, which are beautifully rendered on HoloLens. You'll be able to gain insight as to when someone is emoting joy, sadness, anger, or fear, based on their facial expressions, speech content, and tone of voice, utilizing state-of-the-art technologies. Weather effects are displayed to a localized area of the HoloLens. This makes it easy to determine whose emotional state is being read and avoids overwhelming the user. This is Prismo.